Good afternoon. My name is Rebecca Haokip. I am the spokesperson for KoHUR Women Organization for Human Rights. Today, we aim to address the emotional distress shared by the Imagi Meras, the Métis women organization leaders, the Mera Paibis. In an interview justifying the gang rape and atrocities towards the KoHUR women, they have also made a statement saying that as a woman, I feel pity, but this is a war. We hope that this provides them the same comfort they once extended to us. KoHUR Women Organization for Human Rights questions any woman organization, especially Imagi Meras, is whether they possess the moral and ethical authority to demand resolution to end the conflict and advocate peace, given their alleged role in the violence. KoHUR Women Organization for Human Rights reminds the Métis women of their involvement in the ethnic cleansing, pointing out direct or indirect involvement in participating in the war crimes. Arambai Tengel sought blessings from the Mera Paibis before executing their pogrom against the KoHUR people. The Mera Paibis are accused of protecting or shielding the Arambai Tengels and the Métis militants from being arrested and actions by the government agencies. They allegedly bought time for attacks on the KoHUR villages by obstructing the Central Army's vehicles and also participating in mob violence, facilitate cruelties and undermine the rule of law. It is crucial to question that 60,000 paramilitary forces are deployed in Manipur. However, the Métis and the state government oppose AFSPA in the valley. What is their role in maintaining laws and order? The continuous violence, despite their presence, suggests a failure in security force to act effectively. For example, bombs have been fired from the valley to the hill, despite the presence of paramilitary forces in the valley. Mera Paibis and other women organizations reportedly opposed the surrender of Arambai Tengels and the looted weapons. Some Métis influential and social activists have allegedly funded and procured war weapons or equipment such as drone and binoculars and the bulletproof vest for perpetrating violence against the KoHUR people. Now, the Ima Mera Paibis stance in the issues of drone is valid as they pose a serious threat to the civilians' life and safety and security. Activists like Lisipriya should be held accountable under UAPA for procuring such dangerous weapon and supporting terrorist organizations like Arambai Tengels. The evidence against them is substantial, unlike the dubious image and videos used to defame the KoHURs. Is Mera Paibis' approach to defamation aligned with their "this is war" mentality? If justice for the victims and restoring normalcy in Manipur is indeed the goal, Imagi Meras and all other Métis CSOs should demand an explanation about the leaked audio tape involving CM Biren Singh in his war crime. He is responsible for the death of many of the Métis, not the KoHUR people. Defaming the KoHURs will not be absolved their crime. The KoHUR Women Organization for Human Rights, representing all KoHUR women, declares that our safety, security, and right to live with dignity and peace lies outside Manipur, but within India. So hence, we demand for an expedition of our political demand in the form of separate administration. Thank you.